cat. Oh, it's nice and cool out there. Hey, cat. Okay. I will allow you to go outside, but you have to come back today, okay? Okay. There you go. Yay! So I'm here in Kelowna at Rex and Sheila's house sitting for a week, and today is day 3 already, and I'm finally going to get around to running some errands that I've been putting off. I've been working on videos though, so it's not like I've been completely unproductive. But today is oil change day for the van, and I'm going to see about a pop-up vaccine clinic, see if I can get that done too. This is my chill area, my outdoor chill area, I should specify. Yeah, hi. I was just wondering how much it would be for a regular oil change for a 2010 Dodge Caravan, just conventional oil. 2010? Hi. Just make yourself at home. I'll be back in an hour or two, okay? Okay, see you later. Just don't eat the flowers or any of the vegetables. Hey, I'm serious about those vegetables. Yeah, I see you going back there. And one of the other things that I have to do while I'm house sitting here is my first ever paper run for my cousin, who isn't here this week. So I'm going to go do that now. Apparently it doesn't take long. Okay, round 2. This time I'm actually going to get my vaccine. I had to get a temporary BC health card number or something. And there's another open vaccine clinic today, like walk-in vaccine clinic, so I'm gonna hit that up. I'm gonna name this dragonfly Ben because it's having trouble finding the door. You're such a friendly cat now. We're buddies. This guy right here, he doesn't really like me yet. He won't come near me. He seems to be afraid. He won't go in when I'm in the house. And he didn't want to go in now, so he's spending, I guess, part of the evening outside. Yeah, just take your time. Well, it's about time I try one of those bikes in the garage, and there's a beach on the side of Okanagan Lake not far from here, so I think I'm gonna bike down there this morning, check it out. Got my pasta, got my fried onions, chopping some garlic, got my green peppers, and my eggs, all my toppings, basically. Whole bunch of good stuff. Well, one of the last things that I have to do before I leave here is shave. I decided I'm going to start the next phase of my journey with a fresh shave.
City Transit.
Yeah.
So, and the only place it takes you is something just rustling or a bush falling or something like that.
And sometimes their work isn't even yeah, feet are getting dusty.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, this is a great view. Wow. Boy, is it smoky in that direction, eh? You can't see far at all. So you know a more private beach or a quieter one? Great. Little cave. Enough. Here.